Take a central profile section from the top of the head using the nose as a guide. Continue this section down to the back and then take a radial line section on either side of the head using the ears as a guide. Take a curved section on either side of the head starting at the nape of the neck. Ensure there is at least 2 inches of hair to ensure that the tapes are invisible. Make sure your section is even on both sides. Take a 1/2 centimetre section in the centre of the 2 previous sections. This will be for applying your tape. Apply a clip underneath to ensure there are no crosshairs. Take your tape and apply it underneath the section approximately 1/2 centimetre from the scalp. Use your fingers to ensure all the hair is stuck thoroughly to the tape. Take your next tape and apply it directly on top of the previous tape and make sure they are perfectly aligned. Secure gently by using your fingers to press the 2 tapes together. Use your clamp for approximately 5 seconds to ensure correct application. Continue this method working up the head using a brickwork pattern. Continue to use your curved sections. This will ensure the hair flows as the natural hair would as well. When you have reached the crown, start to move on to the sides, continuing with a curved section. Continue using the same method to apply the tapes. Ensure that your front hairline has at least 2 inches of good hair to cover the tapes so they are seamless. It is important around the hairline to ensure you're using clips and keeping crosshairs away, as there is a lot of baby hair in this area. Start by taking a small section at the nape of the neck and starting your 1 length. It is important to point cut this, otherwise the hair will be too blunt. Continue cutting your 1 length using the previous cut as a guide. Once you have finished the length, separate front to back and start by using a slicing technique to connect the front to the length at the back. Do this on both sides. When blending the extensions and the real hair at the back, use vertical sections and use a soft slicing technique. Ensure any extensions that are feeling too bulky or chunky, you point cut to remove the weight. You want to make sure you are moving the hair around so you can see the natural fall. Ensure you do not cut too much weight out of the hair before checking how the overall finish is impacted. And here is the finished result.